Guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha. Guys, today we are going to study a topic that is flow of communication. I have started a series of communication skills for BTech students and other students who are willing to learn the communication skills. So I have uploaded, I guess, 3 videos related to the communication skills. This is the fourth one, in which we are going to study what is the flow of communication, means how communication goes or flows in an organization. What is the method? What is the idea? So without doing a further delay, let's move right into the topic. So what is the flow of communication? First we need to understand exactly what is this. So the flow of communication in organization refers to the way information moves from one person to another. Moves from one person to another means how it moves. It moves from a worker to manager. It moves from manager to worker. It moves horizontally or it moves diagonally. So there are 4 types of flows of communication that we need to understand. The first one is upward communication. What is the upward communication, guys? So upward communication is a communication which begins from the upper level to the lower level, right? यानी कि upward communication is from the communication or the information which started from upward. Upward means from lower to higher. That means it is a normal worker who is working in an organization and he wants to communicate to a manager, right? So according to the hierarchy, when information flows, it is called, according to the hierarchy, it is called flow of communication. And when the information initiated from a worker to sent to a manager, that means it begins from the lower level to the highest authority, is कॉल्ड अपवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन. यानी अपवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन वो कम्युनिकेशन है जहाँ पे एक इंफॉर्मेशन को लोअर लेवल से कहाँ ले जाया जाएगा, हाई लेवल की तरफ बढ़ाया जाएगा. यानी जब किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एक एम्प्लॉय को मैनेजर से, एक एम्प्लॉय को हेड से, एक एम्प्लॉय को डायरेक्टर से, एक एम्प्लॉय को मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर से जब इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने की नीड होती है. Why we do that? What is the purpose? Basically to give a feedback regarding any policies, regarding any changes, or whatever else he or needs to communicate. So what he does, he just initiates he just creates information and he tries to inform that, or he tries to communicate directly, he tries to share that information directly, right? So that is the purpose basically, or any report progress or whatever the task that has been given to an employee. So he always tries to help to the manager. He tries to give or share that information to the manager or the managing director or the highest authority. So I mean to say, जब कोई भी information lower level से higher level की तरफ दी जाती है, तो वो कैसा flow है? वो हमारा upward flow है. Upward यानी कि upper direction में कोई information को circulate किया जा रहा है, float किया जा रहा है, right? So basically an employee submits a report, suggestions to a manager. Sometimes some suggestions, some feedbacks, some questions, he just tries to communicate to the manager, to the higher authority of the organization. So that is upward communication. Next is downward communication. Downward communication is just opposite to upward communication. Downward communication is a communication, is a kind of flow of information which begins from higher level to lower level, right? Lower level means employee, you can say, right? So what when manager tries to inform something like some policies, some changes, some any other extra shifts or any other thing he wants to inform or he needs to inform that, then he initiates or he communicates directly to the employee. That is downward communication, when the flow of communication downs from upward level, right? So it is called downward communication. Downward communication basically begins from the top management to the employees, to the middle managers, to the co-workers. Basically it begins from the higher authority, यानी top management. ठीक है, यानी कि टॉप मैनेजमेंट जब कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन लोअर लेवल पे लेकर आता है, यानी अपने एम्प्लॉय से बात करता है या मिडिल वर्कर्स से बात करता है, लाइक कोई मैनेजर है वो हेड से बात कर रहा है, या जो कंपनी ओनर है वो अपने मैनेजर से बात कर रहा है, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर से बात कर रहा है, हेड से बात कर रहा है या अपने एम्प्लॉय से बात कर रहा है. सो क्या कर रहा है वो डायरेक्टली उसे कम्युनिकेट करता है. जब व्हेन टॉप मैनेजमेंट directly communicate to the lower authority or the employee or the heads or the lower level, that is called downward communication. Upward communication, lower level to the higher level. Downward communication from higher level to the lower level, right? So this is this is the downward communication. Basically like CEO sends a memo to employees about new company policies or anything. So he needs to communicate, he wants to share the information, and he shares the information directly to the employees, to the managers, to the directors, or to the anyone else who either managing director or the company owner, right? Next is horizontal communication. Horizontal communication is also called as lateral communication. What it is called? It is also called as lateral communication. Lateral communication, horizontal communication basically begins from employees or departments at the same level. At the same level, horizontal communication, it begins like this. It can be like this. It can be like this. That means यहाँ से communication start हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी end हो सकता है, यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एंड हो सकता है, या यहाँ पे शुरू हो रहा है और यहाँ पे एंड हो सकता है. यानी कि यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेशन जो है या इंफॉर्मेशन का जो फ्लो है, इट कैन बी बिटवीन द लेवल्स. बिटवीन द लेवल्स मीन्स इक्वल लेवल पे जो है वो कम्युनिकेशन होता है, यानी कि सेम लेवल पे कम्युनिकेशन होता है. हॉरिजॉन्टल या लेटरल कम्युनिकेशन कहता है सेम लेवल पे. किस पे होता है? सेम लेवल पे कम्युनिकेशन होता है. सेम लेवल का मतलब क्या है? इक्वल लेवल. यानी कि हेड है तो if a company's head is there, if there is a company's head, so he is directly communicating or he is directly informing to the head, or employee is directly communicating to the employees, right? So that is called horizontal communication or the lateral communication, that we when an employee or a head needs to circulate an information, any notice, any memo or anything to the same level, that is horizontal communication. Next is diagonal communication. Next is diagonal communication. So what is diagonal communication? Diagonal communication basically when a person needs to horizontal communication के there are advantages, like it improves teamwork and also it reduces the duplication. Sometimes what happens, the same information flows और the same information has been provided by somebody else, so क्या होता है, duplication हो जाता है उसका, और ये it also reduces the work of the other people, right? एक ही person है, वो सब अपने same level पे सारे लोगों को information एक ही बार में share कर रहा है, तो ये क्या है, horizontal communication है, और इससे क्या होता है, work कम हो जाता है, it reduces, or also it reduces the duplicacy of the work, right? Also it improves the teamwork. It shows that the people are having healthy relations with with equal departments, with the equal people, colleagues you can say, क्योंकि जब team heads हैं या टीम के मैनेजर्स हैं और मैनेजर टू मैनेजर बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्या है, ये इक्वल लेवल में बात कर रहे हैं, यानी कि इनके बीच में रिलेशंस अच्छे हैं, हेल्दी रिलेशंस हैं, एंड दे आर एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो कैन रिलीज, यू कैन से कैन reduce some conflicts also. So basically this is horizontal communication. Next is diagonal communication. Diagonal communication is basically it begins between people, between employees at the different levels and the different departments, you can say. Yani ki diagonal communication is cross wise communication. What is this? It is cross wise communication. Cross wise means, suppose there are 4 people in a company, in an organization, A, B, C, D, right? There are 4 people in an organization working. It can be your manager, it can be your owner of the company, it can be your manager of the company, it can be the department head, you can say, and it can be your employee. So when the communication or the information flows at the various levels means crosswise. A can talk to B, D, C can talk to B, A can talk to B, C can talk to D, or crosswise, B can talk to A, D can talk to C, right? That means there is no difference of levels. Anybody can talk to anybody, anybody can share the information to anybody. That is called crosswise communication or diagonal communication, when an information flows at the various levels and the various departments, irrespective of the level of communication. So this is डायगोनल कम्युनिकेशन, क्रॉस वाइज कम्युनिकेशन, यू कैन से, जहाँ पे आपको खुली छूट है कि आप कहीं भी किसी को भी इंफॉर्मेशन सर्कुलेट कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो मैनेजर हो, ओनर हो, या एम्प्लॉय हो, या हेड हो. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डायगोनल कम्युनिकेशन. डायगोनल कम्युनिकेशन का बेसिकली पर्पस क्या है? स्पीड अप प्रोसेस एंड ब्रेक कम्युनिकेशन पीरियड्स. यानी कि प्रोसेस को स्पीडअप, कोई एक ही काम करना है और वो सभी को सर्कुलेट करना है. जैसे अभी दिवाली की हॉलीडेज थे, तो क्या होता है, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन सभी को सर्कुलेट की जाती है. तो एक ही पर्सन वो लेवल, लोअर लेवल पे भी दे रहा है, वो हायर लेवल पे दे रहा है, और अपने इक्वल लेवल पे भी दे रहा है, सभी को इन्फॉर्मेशन वो सर्कुलेट कर रहा है. तो क्या होता है, इससे काम में स्पीड आती है, और इससे क्या होता है, it also break communication barriers. So the same person is sharing or circulating the same information, so it also reduces the communication barriers. Also it gives the advantages, like it enhances efficiency also, and it reduces delays caused by hierarchical communication. Sometimes what happens, a person just delays to share the information due to some or other issues. कुछ इश्यूज आ जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से इंफॉर्मेशन सर्कुलेट नहीं हो पा रही है. तो करना क्या है, उस जगह पे ये जो है काम को रिड्यूस भी कर देता है, और एक ही काम को एक ही पर्सन कर ले रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड डायगोनल कम्युनिकेशन. क्रॉस वाइज कम्युनिकेशन, इट फ्लोज irrespective of the levels, it flows irrespective of the hierarchy. It can flow at the various levels, from downward to upward, any downward level to upward level, or at the same level, or any, right? So it basically between the people, so you can say between the employees, or at the different levels, right? So these are the flow of communication. I hope the topic flow of communication would be clear to you. Still, if you have any doubts or any queries in your mind, you can just drop your comments in the comment section. I'll definitely try to remove your doubts. Thank you so much.